everyone, Chris here with MotionRC. You might have seen me on the RC Geek. Well, I work for MotionRC now, and we're out here at HeliStorm or RC HeliStorm, debuting a bunch of cool stuff, seeing amazing helicopters out here. It's incredible. Like, if you've never seen a scale heli, these are next level. And so you've got turbine powered, you've got electric powered, and they're all really, really amazing. And speaking of helicopters, we are out here demoing our 470 sized rotor scale helicopters. These are brand new. And so we have 4 helicopters in the line right now. The UH-1 Huey, the Airwolf, we've got the Bell 206, we've got the MD-500. These are all GPS stabilized helicopters. And so if you don't know how to fly helis, guess what? You don't have to. These fly almost like drones. They're incredibly stable with the GPS stabilization. They will hold it altitude locked perfectly, even in windy conditions like we've got today. It works perfect. You've got auto land if you need it. And so, but the beauty of it is, not only do you have GPS stabilization, but you've got an angle mode that you can switch to, or if you really want to progress and you're really experienced, we've got a manual mode as well where you can do, if you really want an inverted flight, anything like that, it'll do it. And so, yeah, we're really excited about this lineup. There's lots in the works, and so we're really excited for the future. These have been wildly popular. They are incredible helicopters. I'm an airplane guy. I've always been an airplane guy, and these have got me flying helicopters. They are incredibly cool. So to give you guys a little bit more of a breakdown of the detail and kind of what's included, you know, these helicopters all come completely ready to fly. Everything you need to fly the helicopter comes in the box. All you have to do, 4 AA batteries in the back of the transmitter, and you are ready to go. You got your, they are completely fiberglass fuselages, right? Full fiberglass. They come painted from the factory. 4S 5200 milliamp hour battery. You've got your flight controller right here, receiver here. ESC is on the other side, but your flight controller is really the heart of all of this, right? So you've got GPS antenna. There's an antenna back here. So that's giving you that GPS stabilization, that functionality that, you know, really makes these incredible machines to fly. And so you've got the Huey there. We've got the Airwolf here. The cool thing about the Airwolf, these come out of the box with retracts. So let's give you guys a quick little demo of that.
So the cool thing about like this industrial starter, 80% of what we make in-house. We'll buy the castings, we machine all this out. Yeah, we machine all this.
So that's the Airwolf. Every time I take this out to the field, I'm singing the Airwolf theme song to myself. Yes, I still remember that. I watched it as a kid. I still love that show. But we've got the Bell 206 here. Now this one features a water drop. I'm not sure if there's any water in here. Let's find out. Oh, yep. There is absolutely water in there. And so what you've got here is you've got this tank in here, and you've got a pump that pumps the water out of the tank. And so, you know, it's a CAL FIRE rescue paint scheme. And in this case, there's no markings on here. Each of the models come with decals that you can apply if you choose to. And so those are all included in the box as well. And then the MD-500, you've got the Fresno Sheriff paint scheme. And so in this case, this one has a searchable spotlight that you can turn on and off out of the box. And so, as I mentioned, they're all fiberglass bodies. You've got, you know, it's Roban builds them for us, Roban Mechanics, helicopters, all of that. And so we work very, very closely with them. This is to develop these machines, make them what they are. As I said, and I can't say this enough, they fly amazing. And especially with the GPS stabilization and the return to home functionality. If you have an issue, you just flip that switch and it'll come back and land back by itself without any issues whatsoever. Even in, you know, fairly windy conditions like this, it handles it easily. So yeah, you guys should go check them out at MotionRC.com. We will have many in stock here in a few weeks, hopefully, and so you guys got to go check them out. It's fun.